The transition from family-owned cows to reliance on local dairies marks a significant shift in lifestyles during industrialization. This change in sourcing daily necessities reflects the broader impact of urbanization on family life. As urban life progressed, the milkman's role evolved. The switch from metal barrels to glass bottles for milk delivery enhanced efficiency and hygiene, ultimately benefiting consumers. The introduction of glass bottles in 1879 marked a revolutionary change in milk storage and transport. The Leicester milk jar played a crucial role in advancing modern dairy packaging practices. By the early 20th century, glass milk bottles with caps transformed home milk delivery. These innovative designs significantly improved efficiency for milkmen in their daily operations. Before the widespread adoption of refrigeration in the 1920s, daily milk delivery was essential to prevent spoilage. This approach ensured that families consistently received fresh milk. However, the rise of supermarkets in the mid-20th century offered a convenient alternative to home deliveries. As car ownership increased, grocery shopping became more accessible, further reducing reliance on milk delivery. Following World War II, suburban migration posed challenges for milkmen, complicating efficient delivery. Increased delivery distances and costs encouraged consumers to turn to grocery stores. The shift from glass bottles to plastic containers and paper cartons mirrored changing consumer preferences and significantly contributed to the decline of home milk delivery by the 1950s. Furthermore, advancements like pasteurization improved milk's shelf life, making it easier and more economical to purchase from stores. By the 1970s, these changes further diminished the role of milkmen in daily life.